After finding the septic tank, the next big job that we wanted to get taken care of on our new property was to remove these cottonwood trees. We are all very allergic to cottonwoods. We don't like how their seeds spread, and these ones look to be partly dead as well. And after talking to the neighbor across the street, she said that branches were forever getting blown into her property, and so this was definitely high on our list to get taken care of. Naya and I were sick with the yuck during this time, and so we were inside, and I asked Rylan to get footage of them working, so she kindly sat in her room and filmed them working away out here. This crew was fast, they were efficient, and they were very thorough. Besides taking down the 2 big trees, we also asked them to go around to the whole property and to clean up any low-hanging branches and the trees that had sprouted up around the greenhouses. They took out some of the little rogue seedlings and then removed any branches that were close to the greenhouse so that it didn't puncture the plastic. I am so pleased with how well everything looked when they were done, and they did it in a day. They were amazing, and I am so happy to have the second big project of our new homestead taken care of and under the belts. We are only a few months into owning this property, and 2 huge projects are already taken care of. I can't wait to see what the rest of the year brings and what we're able to accomplish. And as always, we thank you guys for following our journey, for being a part of our growth and cheering us on and praying for us and coming back to watch our videos. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time. Grow as you go.